This is a Nordlandslån, a traditional Norwegian building that stands out for its durability, its functionality, and its reversibility. Maybe this house knows something that we as modern architects have forgotten. Maybe there is a wisdom to be gained from the craft behind this house. We have brought it all the way from Norway to Denmark in order to wrestle its secrets from it, and in order to install it inside Aarhus School of Architecture as a part of the exhibition Reversible Tectonics. By making things, giving them physical presence, architects are able to attain knowledge on many levels. According to the Italian philosopher Giambattista Vico, one can only know what one makes. This project explores how a tectonic concept grows, deforms, and exists within a range of variations. The project first and foremost seeks to learn about reversible tectonics by dismantling, replacing, repairing, and reassembling the existing conditions. Architecture today often becomes a flat canvas, unable to unfold tectonic layers. Could it be that pre-modern techniques can be modified, re-emerged, to help us achieve designs that allow adaptations and alterations over time, by human and non-humans? Maybe this traditional Nordic construction holds at least parts of the answer to how architecture can evolve.